Hello to all. We are at the FARAANA Reef Hotel. We are going to look at the room. We got the number 225. Here's a key with a key fob. We open the lock. And it does not open. Happened. We go into the room. We insert the card and the light appears in the room. What we immediately see at the entrance. There is such a shelf. You can put towels, beach bag, air mattress and shoes here. Then we see a wardrobe. There is a safe inside. The safe is free, but it's small. It can hold documents, something small, maybe a phone. A laptop won't fit here. There is a compartment for outerwear, there are hangers, and there are few shelves. There is an extra one pillow. Then there is such a table, which can also be used for bags and things. There is a long tabletop, mirror and lamp. Shuffles. A shelf. There is such a very old TV, it is probably 20 years old. But it works fine. There is such a refrigerator in the room. There is nothing in the refrigerator, minibar is not provided. They also do not give drinking water to the room. There is no kettle in the room, respectively there is no coffee and tea. Armchair. Armchair. Bed. The bed is big, one might even say huge. We were given a crib like this. It doesn't look very good on the outside, but it is sturdy. And it's big enough, in general we liked it. Now let's take a closer look at the bed. There is a blanket and it is just under the sheet, there is no blanket cover. Let's go to the terrace. The terrace is open, there is no fence. The terrace is large enough, spacious. There are two chairs, wooden and a small table, everything is in good condition. Pool view from our room. And just like that, right through the terrace you can go to the neighbors. Now we go to the bath and see what is there. Entering the bath. There is such a soap dispenser. Mirror. No shampoos, hats, gels. For some reason only one glass. There is a hairdryer. It works. Toilet bowl. Paper. There is a new brush. In general, it is noticeable that the number has been updated. Many things are new. For example, the shipping tape was not even removed from the trash can. The bathroom has a small shower cubicle. There is a soap dispenser in the shower. There is a very small step. If you actively take a shower, then the water will splash out. Somewhere the number has already been updated, but somewhere not. But overall the room looks good. Furniture is not modern but in Egyptian style. Everything looks fresh enough, everything is painted, not torn. Nice room in general. There is an air conditioner. We haven't had time to check it yet, so I can't say whether it works or not. These are our first impressions upon arrival. When we leave this room, I will complete another video about this number to tell what else was found in the room. If there is no second piece, then everything else in the room was fine. That's all. Be sure to like and subscribe. There will be many more videos with reviews from different hotels. Thanks for watching.